how to set up Calendly tutorial. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So let's show you how you will be able to create and set up your Calendly over here. So Calendly is mainly used to remind people about meetings. You can set up meetings with Calendly through the event type. So what we're going to do is we're going to simply click on plus new event type over here. So there are different types of event types. So there's one-on-one, groups, round robins, and you can even copy some templates or other ways to meet over here. So typically, the most common event type is the groups. Of course, select the group over here where you're going to use that for the demonstration. And then over here, you can simply put in the title of the meeting. So over here, so let's say strategy plan. And what you're able to do is you can also select the duration or how long the meeting would be. You can add a custom minute over here. So let's say 85 minutes, something like that. Or you can even just follow the format over here. You could also specify the availability over here that they could select. So you could modify this one. So let's say you're only available during Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So you could exit or close these options over here. There we go. And then you can also specify the specific hours. So for example, this one, you can specify what time specifically for a specific day. So simply click on apply. There we go. And after that, we can also click on more options over here, which should provide us more options regarding this specific strategy plan that we're making. You can put in a description to explain what this is for. So this is to strategize our plan for our event, something like this, and it will appear over here. You could also add some limit or buffers, free busy rules, booking page options, invitee or invitee form, as you can see, collections for payments if you want to have payment for your event, and you can also have the confirmation page over here. After this, after modifying this stuff, click on save changes, and we should be redirected back to this section over here. Then simply click on save changes. So this is now our strategy plan over here. So after that, you can simply copy your link and simply send it to the people that are going to be invited to this specific plan, and this is what they would be seeing. So what they can do is they can simply select a specific date. Also, this depends on how you set it up, by the way, but they can select a specific date, select a specific time, click on next, and they could simply enter their details over here, and they could schedule the event. Now, people could have Google Calendar connected or any calendar specific application connected to their device, and it could be or it will be added into their event list, or like it will notify them upon the day or when it is near this specified date over here. After that, we could also share it over here. We could share it through link, just like what we saw earlier, or we could also add it to email, and you could also add it to your website. So there are different ways to be able to add it to your website. We have inline embed, pop-up widget, or pop-up text. So you can add this to different website builder like GoDaddy or Wix.com, stuff like that. You can easily add that or add those to their section or to their website. After this, we could actually go back to our Calendly over here, and you are able to monitor and check out all of these events that you have made. So if you want to make changes, you can simply select them and make changes. Click on this. You can change the different settings over here as well, or you can also turn those off if you don't want this to be active right now. You can check out different meetings that you have created over here on the meeting section over here. The availability that you have set, this is where you will be able to set it up. So you can specify what time are you available on specific dates, or if you don't want to be bothered on specific dates, you can specify those as well. You can check it out in the calendar section over here. It will help you visualize the different schedule that you have set. And you also have contacts over here that you are able to monitor. And there's also workflows that you could have, like email reminder to invitee, text cancellation notification to host, so that if there are some canceled events, they will be modified, stuff like that. So these are all very useful workflow that would improve your quality of life, or like help you improve how you run your Calendly, as you can see. There's also some integrations and apps that you can have over here that you could have, like PayPal, Zapier, stuff like that, and so on and so forth. So that's basically it, guys. If you like this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.